Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix F1 black screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you is to disable overlays or do not use app with an overlays, right? But a lot of apps using it. So Steam uses overlay, EA app uses overlay, GeForce Experience, Discord, and way more. So what I suggest to do here, first, do not use them while play the game, just test it out. But if you can't, just go in the settings, as you can see here, like application, and then here it should be in-game overlay, just disable overlay. GeForce Experience, for example, same thing. You can go to the gear icon, and then as you can see here, it should be somewhere in-game overlay, and you can disable here, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, another thing that I suggest you to do here is to disable all the peripherals and then look if the game is running or not. So if you're using steering wheels, foot pedals, maybe multiple controllers, VR or something like that, just disable all the peripherals and then look if the problem persists or not, right? Because for a lot of people, this problem is fixed by just doing that, right? And still, if this do not work, what I suggest to do here, it really doesn't matter if it's on Steam or EA. You just need to go to the library, then press on the game here, dots, view properties, and then just write dash windowed, right? And this will force your basically operating system to run the game in windowed mode, and then it can, and in game you can change it to full screen, right? And look if the problem persists or not, right? Next up, what you can do here, you need to press browse here, press on the blank space and copy the game path. Also, we can go back here, press on the three dots and repair the game files, verify game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so it's always useful to do that. And then you just need to go to graphics settings. Then you need to go to browse, then you need to just paste the path that you just copied, and then look for exe file, right? Exe file. And then F1 should be added somewhere in this list. So let's look for it. It should be somewhere here. Yeah, go to options, then go to high and select high performance and select don't use optimizations for Windows games, right? And next step, what you need to do here is to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully up to date, because also can cause the problem. Go to settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Same thing with your GPU drivers, of course, depending what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce Experience app to me, but if you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon. Go to drivers, check for updates, and then hit download and restart your computer. And also you can just go to device manager, and on device manager you can go to display adapters here, find your GPU, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And after that, just restart your computer and your problem should be solved, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.